Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok call option not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow me all the steps. I have solved the problem. Now first, tap your profile, tap on three-line menu, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down, tap on help center, tap on report a problem, tap on online reporting form. Now select option report a bug feature request, select category feature suggestion, enter your username, enter your email. Now right here, TikTok call option not showing problem. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Now upload your problem screenshot. Now select option and finally tap on submit. Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.